TurboScribe AI just dropped, and I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know before you waste time or money on it. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and this one caught my attention fast. Stay with me because there's something toward the end that might completely change how you handle transcripts forever. You can try TurboScribe AI completely free from the first link below. No credit card, no catch. And what I found in my testing might surprise you. Now, let's get into it. First off, TurboScribe is designed to be the fastest and most accurate AI transcription tool out right now. I tested it on podcasts, YouTube videos, Zoom calls, you name it, and it delivered near human accuracy even with background noise and overlapping voices. That alone makes it one of the best just released AI software tools on the market. But here's what really sets it apart: unlimited transcriptions, no annoying pay-per-minute pricing. You upload your files, MP3, MP4, WAV, it handles them all, and it processes fast, like ridiculously fast. A 30-minute podcast came back in under a minute. Next, the interface is clean. You don't need a tutorial to figure it out. Drag and drop your audio, click transcribe, and you're done. It even supports over 90 languages, so it's global ready if you're working with international content. TurboScribe AI also breaks down speakers automatically. So if you're transcribing interviews or multi-speaker panels, it identifies who's talking without you having to manually label anything. That's huge for productivity. Now here's something most reviews won't tell you. The software also includes built-in summarization. So instead of just dumping raw transcripts at you, it gives you clear, skimmable highlights. Perfect for blog posts, content summaries, or SEO. And yes, it integrates smoothly with tools like Notion, Google Docs, and Zapier. That's a big deal if you're running an agency or repurposing content across platforms. Last thing, and this might be the sleeper feature, it stores your files in the cloud securely and lets you organize and revisit them like a content library. Great for creators, marketers, and teams working remotely. So if you're looking for the best just released AI software for transcriptions, right now, TurboScribe AI is an absolute no-brainer. Fast, accurate, unlimited, and built for real workflows. Again, you can try it completely free from the link below. And if you're serious about using AI to save time and scale your content, you'll want to check out the other AI software I recommend in the description. These are tools I've handpicked after testing thousands. Try TurboScribe, explore the tools below, and I'll see you in the next one.